of RNXLO presents Shankara Super Singer Season 2, a unique stay-at-home reality show. A little progress every day adds up to a great result. Let us start today's episode by paying our tribute to the violin LN sisters Dr. M. Lalita and M. Nandini. Internationally acclaimed violin maestros Dr. M. Lalita and M. Nandini have been widely applauded as the queens of violin. They are the only female duo in Asia to perform the world music, South Indian classical, fusion and Western classical music Les Mauritians. They became the first South Indian musicians to be interviewed and to have performed Carnatic violin duet by the BBC Radio. Their music has won them several prizes and awards, including gold medal awarded by His Holiness Sri Shankaracharya Swamigal of Kanchi Kamakoti Peetham. Kalaimamani, which is the highest honor in music and performing arts conferred by the state government of Tamil Nadu. Title of Bharata Violin Vadya Tilakangal by His Holiness Sadguru Srimad Santananda Swamigal in Chennai. Dr. M. Lalita and M. Nandini have been awarded with the US and UK government's highest award. Dr. M. Lalita has been awarded the Fulbright Fellowship in Performing Arts, Fulbright Nehru Fellowship, Olf Award, USA, while M. Nandini has been awarded the Charles Wallace Trust Fellowship in Performing Arts, which are highly competitive and prestigious awards. Dr. M. Lalita has been awarded the Fulbright Fellowship in Performing Arts, Fulbright Nehru Fellowship, Olf Award, USA, while M. Nandini has been awarded with the Charles Wallace Trust Fellowship in Performing Arts, which are highly competitive and prestigious awards. beautiful rendition by the Violin Ellen sisters. Let us start today's episode with the first semi-finalist for today, Shweta Mohana Krishnan from Chennai. That was a beautiful performance by Shweta. You have the power to choose your favorite contestants for the finals. To choose your favorite contestant, type S2 space contestant code and send it to us on 98806 77833. Let us see what our judge Shanti ma'am has to say about her performance.
You rendered a brief alapna in Nate, followed by the composition. You have a very sweet voice. Swaras were well rendered and neat presentation. All the best.
Thank you Shanti ma'am for your comments. Let us see what our judge Manasi ma'am has to say about her performance.
It was a very good rendition of Sarasiruha Sanapriye in Raga Nate, and your presentation of the raga was very good. It was well delineated and I enjoyed listening to it. It was very much aligned with the Shruti, so well sung. Just one small point in the lyrics, it is actually Saraswati Sati Deshikanuta Gunajale. You sang it as Sati De Shivanuta Gunajale. It's a common mistake, but you should take care of the lyrics Sati Deshikanuta Gunajale. All the best.
Thank you Manasi ma'am for your comments. Let us see what our judge Mahati ma'am has to say about her performance.
Natai Sarasiruhasana Priye. Overall, Anna Ragam was very good and you have a nice voice, nice texture. Good presentation techniques, sustained notes, அதாவது long notes வந்து wobble ஆகாம ஒரு straight line மாதிரி இருந்தா your presentation வந்து இன்னும் enhance ஆகும். அது வந்து கம பனிசா அது இன்னும் அப்படியே ஆணி அடிச்ச மாதிரி இருந்ததுன்னா you will gain more confidence for whatever is coming after that, right? So that long sustained notes you can definitely improve on. Overall very neat presentation. Also usually சொல்லுவா என் குரு எல்லாம் எப்பவுமே சொல்லுவார், ஃபர்ஸ்ட் எப்பவுமே பிளெயினா பாடிடணும். சரசீருகளே, அப்புறமா யூ கேன் டெவலப் எனிதிங். அப்போதான் நம்ம ஒரிஜினல் ஸ்ட்ரக்சர்ல இருந்து நிறைய இம்ப்ரோவைஸ் பண்ணிருக்கோங்கிறது தெரியும் அப்படின்னு சொல்லுவார். So you could follow as well.
Thank you, ma'am, for your comments. What is the weapon of Lord Indra called? Let us see the answer after a small break.
Dum dum tanana dum dum tanana dum dum magappa. Dum dum tanana dum dum tanana dum dum magappa.
Welcome back to Arun XLO presents Shankara Super Singer Season 2, a unique stay-at-home reality show. Lord Indra's weapon is Vajrayudha. We have received more than 1,600 entries from across the globe, out of which our judges diligently watched each one of the videos and selected the best 65 of them. Let us see our next semi-finalist for today, Sumukh Manjunath from Bengaluru. That was a wonderful performance. Not only the judges' comments, but also your opinion counts. Take your phone and type S2 space contestant code and send it to us on 9880677833. Only SMS votes are valid. Let us see what our judge Mahati ma'am has to say about his performance.
வரேவா, லவ்லி சுபவந்தராலி, ரொம்ப என்ஜாய் பண்ணேன். ஓவராலா ரொம்ப நல்லா இருந்தது. ஃபாஸ்ட் சங்கத்தீஸ் பாடும்போது மட்டும் அதை இன்னும் கொஞ்சம் கூட கிளாரிட்டி வரவழைக்கலாமோன்னு தோன்றது. but a lovely ragam, nice understanding, unhurried rendition. That's what I liked about your performance. It was unhurried, ஆராம் சே, அதாவது ரொம்ப காமா நிதானமா இருந்தது. So keep it up, very well sung.
Thank you Mahati ma'am for your comments. Let us see what our judge Manasi ma'am has to say about his performance.
It was a really beautiful rendition of Shubha Pantuvarali. You had some very beautiful phrases in there. Some of the Shadja, Varjya phrases, in the raga, which gives it a very mystical sort of feel, were very nice. You sang the Kriti also beautifully. So there is music within you. There is a lot of musicality within you. The only thing is, I feel you have a very unique sounding voice, which is fine. But maybe you can work a lot more on the sound of your voice, so that can make it sound even more melodious and pleasing to the ear. Overall, you really sang well and I was so impressed.
Thank you Manasi ma'am for your comments. Let us see what our judge Shanti ma'am has to say about his performance.
Beautiful rendition of Shubha Pantuvarali. It was really soulful and very neatly presented. I loved the composition too. I'm hearing for the first time Shubha Pantuvarali in this competition, and you did a very good job, except that I missed the Kalpana Swaras. Otherwise, a very good rendition. All the best.
Thank you ma'am for your comments. Time now to see our next semi-finalist for today, Madhumati Acharya from Dakshina Kannada. That was a beautiful performance. Do you think Madhumati deserves to be in the finals? If yes, take your phone and type S2 space contestant code and SMS it to us on 9880677833. Let us see what our judge Shanti ma'am has to say about her performance.
You did Alap in Sindhu Bhairavi, and you did Makara Kundala, you did the Swaras. It could have been still more. The Kalpana Swaras you could have rendered more. Otherwise, it was a very nice presentation. All the best.
Thank you, Shanti ma'am, for your comments. Let us see what our judge Mahati ma'am has to say about her performance.
Venkatachala Sindhu Bhairavi. You can do a lot of work by exploring the raga yourself. Ragas like Sindhu Bhairavi have a lot of scope, but yet it is very difficult to sing. Manodharma Sangeetam, the natural way of presenting a raga, you can just practice and practice and practice, only then it comes. So nobody can teach you like a formula. So if you keep working on that, you will definitely get it someday.
Thank you ma'am for your comments. Let us see what our judge Manasi ma'am has to say about her performance.
It was a melodious rendition of Venkatachala Nilayam, and you were singing very well till the swara portion that you sang in the middle. Unfortunately, the swara names and what you were singing were not matching. Sa, ri sa, ri sa, ri sa, ri sa, you sang, whereas it is sari, 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 and then you sang dani, 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 but it was actually nisa, 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 nisa. So that portion clearly showed that maybe you haven't learned music to a very advanced level. You're talented, you have a good voice, and you have a good feel of music. I think you have to learn music and practice a lot more to really understand the nuances. All the best.
Thank you ma'am for your comments. Let us see our next semi-finalist for today, Varidi V from Bengaluru.
पाहि श्रीवाणी कीरवाणी कीर्वाणी पाहि श्रीवाणी कीरवाणी कीर्वाणी पाहि श्रीवाणी कीरवाणी कीर्वाणी हीरमणि सुमुक्त फलादिक चित हीरमणि सुमुक्त फलादिक चित हीरमणि सुमुक्त फलादिक चित हिरण्याभरण धारिणी हंसवाहिनी कीरवाणी Gama pada pa 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 pada pa ma pada pa ma pada pa ma gari re gama gari sani sari gama pa ma gari sari gama pada ni da pa ma pada ni sari ma gari sani dani dani pa dani sari gama gari sani gari sari sani sa gari sani da gari sani da gari sani da gari sani da ri sani da pa da ri sani dani ri sani dani ri sani dani ri sani da pa ri sani da pa ri sani da pa ma gari gamma pa ma pa da pa gamma pa da pa gamma pa da pa gamma pa da ni gari sani da ri sani da pa ma kiravani girvani.
That was an amazing performance. India is the biggest democracy and your vote chooses the best leader. Similarly, in Shankara Super Singer, your vote might choose the best finalist. Take your phone and type S2 space contestant code and send it to us on 9880677833. Only SMS votes are valid. Let us see what our judge Mahati ma'am has to say about her performance.
Keeravani, there was this big confusion for me if you were going to sing Simendra Madhyamam or Keeravani, because the first phrase that you have sung Pratimadhyama. Then it was all Shuddha Madhyamam. So, you know, it is very important to present a very clear ragam as you sing, because you are singing few seconds. It needs to be very clear and precise. You have a nice texture. You can definitely work, and your Neraval was good. You can definitely work to get a better presentation.
Thank you, Mahati ma'am, for your comments. Let us see what our judge Manasi ma'am has to say about her performance.
It was a nice rendition of Keeravani. It had a completeness to it. You sang very well with a lot of confidence, clarity and ease. There was good Shruti, Tala and Raga alignment. So overall it was of a good standard and I enjoyed listening.
Thank you, Manasi ma'am, for your comments. Let us see what our judge Shanti ma'am has to say about her performance.
A brief alap in Keeravani was very nice, followed by the Kriti, very well rendered, and the swaras were also with a good flow, and you were very confident with your rendering. Nice presentation. All the best.
Thank you, ma'am, for your comments. Who was the father of Ashwatthama? Let us see the answer after a small break.
Dum dum tanana dum